Okay everyone, here's another crock pot recipe I've been wanting to do lately. It's going to be meatball soup and vegetables. Okay, so just put whatever kind of meatballs you like in there first of all. Then I chopped up some celery and a little bit of ginger and a bunch of carrots I'm going to put in there. And then next we're going to add a bunch of, this is a really big large onion here. Put that in there. And then a heaping couple of tablespoons of garlic, minced garlic. Can of beef broth. Container of this mushroom stock. And today I'm going to add this ginger and turmeric creamy broth. Just a little bit of a change of what I usually do. Stuff actually is really good. It's not that potent. So, okay. I see that pretty much filled up the crock pot. Now we're setting the crock pot on high and let it go for about 6 hours. If your meatballs are thawed out, you could probably go 4 hours, but starting off with frozen meatballs, you got to go 6 hours. All right, as one final touch here, since I barely have enough room, I like to put cabbage in my soup. So I chopped up only a half a head. I think I could probably fit the rest in there. We'll see. All right, now it's been exactly 4 hours on this meatball soup, and I already tried a little bit, and it's actually very good. Now remember, I put meatballs, onions, carrots, celery, garlic, and some ginger root, beef broth, mushroom broth, and ginger and turmeric soup, creamy soup, all mixed together in here. So yeah, hey, the veggies are all cooked and softened up, and we've got a lot of really nice meatballs and broth going on in there. Good stuff. Healthy too. All right, everybody, it's dinner time. We'll see you soon.